We live in an age of sound bites, and of course those sound bites are used everywhere. Even when I'm surfing the internet, things are clipping up and just giving me very concise statements to bias my opinion about a certain thing. So, sure, marketing is an art and science, and these terms, whether it be antibiotics or cage-free or hormone-free or gluten-free, are used for marketing purposes. If I buy a bottle of drinking water, I expect it to be cholesterol-free. You don't have to emphasize that on the label. But that's where we are right now. Just a use because we could get attention with those statements on a label. I think it's been used out of context in many instances. Meat-type chickens are always raised on floor, on a bedding. They've never been in a cage. So to call them a cage-free is ludicrous, really. There is no reason to emphasize that. They've always been cage-free. I think so. I think the consumers deserve a clear message on a product label. I believe the Agricultural Marketing Service of USDA is actually the branch of government that's involved in, as well as FSIS, enforcing the labeling laws, truthfulness in labeling. So I think that new program should help clarify labels for the consumers, including myself. Look, healthy animal means healthy food. So if you want to produce safe food, you have to have, or I should say safe animal foods. You have to have safe animals, healthy animals. There's just a direct correlation. So anytime the animal is under stress and it succumbs to infectious agents, and that could carry through processing into the market. So yes, in the absence of interventions, we can have food safety issues. So if you're trying to have an antibiotic-free or antimicrobial-free product, there is going to be a question mark on the safety of the product, because we cannot be 100% have the 100% assurance that they're unhealthy animals have uniformity issues. Uniformity by I mean size, so they're uneven. They become much more uneven. So when we take those flocks through mechanized processing, slaughter facilities, so you're going to have more issues with the equipment, more potential contamination issues. Also, unhealthy animals, you could have more bacteria in the systemic circulation. Could go into tissues like liver that could increase and create a food safety issue.